We're Team Friendship. We're doing the method for 30 days.
Oh.
We just wanted a good luck if we could have it, some blessings.
Oh man, any good luck you need, but you don't need good luck. You got it already. You got that?
Got it.
All right. Yeah. Right on.
Thank you, Wim.
Right on, man. I like your shit.
Thank you.
We all are divine beings, and I want to experience that. I want to feel that. I want to learn to own my own mind in a relationship with 1,000 people together and break the spell, motherfuckers. Yeah!
I feel like a lion. I don't know if I'm going to be this motivated without 4 hours of preparation and fire breathing and motivational speaking. Dude, I'm ready to jump in. It's easy.
I'm pretty experienced with ice baths. I used to do 10 to 20 minutes in my old apartment in Northridge.
Jesus Christ.
But that was like 4 years ago. I haven't had access to a bathtub ever since I became homeless.
Thank you all for your patience. You've been f***ing amazing.
Literally the last one.
Team Friendship for life!
All you really need for a physiological benefit is once every 7 days. That's really what you need.
Okay, but you're doing it every day. How many minutes in that cold bathtub?
It depends. It's just kind of like think of it this way: the stronger the dose, the less exposure.
Okay.
Right? So you guys today were anywhere from 35 to 40 degrees. 2 minutes is all you need, right?
Really. Justin, and so you took mushrooms before you came here,
Yes, sir.
and you just jumped in an ice bath.
Yes, sir.
How do you feel right now?
I feel awesome. What's up?
If you stayed in the ice bath for too long, you'll be shivering for a really long time, and that means that all of the periphery is closed from the blood vessels, and so the cold blood will lower your core body temperature down, and then it's really hard to get that to warm back up.
Okay.
But with you shivering, that's activating more brown adipose tissue, it's working with your metabolism, so you'll probably be really hungry. But if you're shivering for like 2 more hours, that means you went a little bit too far in the ice bath.
For some reason that reminded me of a Viagra commercial. If it lasts longer than 2 hours, something's wrong.
And the mindset, the more that I've dived into this method, mindset is everything. There's some days where I do not want to embrace the cold. You know, it's all that mind. But the breathing was so powerful. Doing it with a lot of people, it just opens up so much inside the system. Not only physical benefits, but psychedelic experiences and all sorts of things. Like, I definitely had my soul speak to me during one of the sessions.
How cold could this possibly be?
Wow, you made that look fun.
Fully in.
I like it more. It feels good. Oh, hi there.
Be uncommon ones, uncommon people.
Alright, day 3. We're sitting in this deflated outdoor swimming pool, which is a metaphor for how deflated we are, because we're only 3 days in and we're already kind of feeling some tension.
$20 in ice every single day for 30 days, $600. Plus an inflatable pool off Amazon with a pool inflator and generator, $150, maybe $200.
You better have a tub, and that takes out a lot of people. A freezer that you're going to use only for ice, for the benefit of increasing your immunity, increasing your mood. What if you ran?
It might even be more beneficial to do this with a larger group of people, because that was one of the most beneficial things from Wim Hof's event, was you're all in it together.
Yeah, no, I feel that. Telling all my counselors how wrong they were about me being a screw up. Look at me now. One step closer to enlightenment.
Thanks for coming. And,
Of course.
come on in. Let's do an ice bath.